Is BitNest about to do the unthinkable and pay me my damn money? It's the 15th of March as I'm recording this, but when you're watching this, it's probably going to be the 16th because it's going to be too late for me to edit this and get it out tonight. So it's going to be the 16th when you're watching this video, and that, my friends, is the date that BitNest themselves said that the outstanding loops would be paid. Now, if you don't believe me, let's head over to the messages that they left on their website, bitnest.fi, and you can see here, thank you for your patience and understanding. Wow. Regarding the recent issue of delayed funds for orders encountered by some users in BitNest Loop, I think all users, actually they should be, this issue has now been resolved with a unified solution and is in an orderly recovery phase. The overall progress is stable and controllable, so please rest assured. To help you better understand the current status and how to expedite the processing, please see the following explanation. Order recovery and matching process. Please be patient. Here's the good bit. The relevant orders will gradually resume display and enter the smart contract matching process on the Bitloop front end. Here we are. All eligible orders will be matched and processed by the 16th of March at the latest. Now, as I said before, you're going to be watching this probably on the 16th of March. What do you guys think is going to happen? I am not holding my breath on this one. I've said it many times before. The Bitloop C, whatever they're calling it, is currently paying apparently. I don't have anything in there. I mean, all the time that they owe me monies, I'm not obviously going to put anything else in because that's a major red flag when they stop paying. But they are paying out the Loop Cs apparently. But if you want to see your outstanding loops, what BitNest haven't paid you yet, you can just follow what I'm doing here and go to the front page of the website. So basically scroll down here and go to BitNest Loop. You have to go look at it here. If you look it up there, it's not going to show you anything. If you look at it down here, however, it will show you the outstanding loops. Now, as I said before, it's not quite the 16th yet. It's like very, very late on the 15th. I'm recording this. Mini Millions is in bed. Mrs. Millions is in bed. That's why I'm talking. I'm not trying to do an ASMR video here. I'm just trying to keep my voice down a little bit. We're in an apartment, in our apartment in Mexico City, and we used to, back in the UK, having sort of 3 floors. So there's always like a floor between everyone, so I can just talk normally. But here, I'm a little bit conscious of waking up the little man. So, right. So we've got multiple loops here that are in queue. Okay, they're in queue at the moment. So got they basically owe me 155 there, 248, 620, 166, 124, 620. Oh, this hurts. 923 and 124. So I haven't added that all up. You know, off the top of my head, it's probably what, 2 or 3 grand or whatever. So that's what they owe me right now. So we shall see on the 16th if they actually do, as they say. Now, I don't think a lot of people even realise that the 16th is meant to be the deadline. That's why I'm putting this video out now, just to make people aware that if you are owed cash, owed money by BitNest, then the 16th is the date that they said they would match this by. They've not put out any other updates to my knowledge. Actually, there's a little bell up here with a 4 next to it. So let's see if I've missed anything. Latest news. No. Latest news there. That was the 28th for the 12th. So it's definitely not that. So this one here comes up on the website when you go to it, bitnest.fi. And you will see there's not been anything more recent than this. So all eligible orders will be matched and processed by the 16th. Do I think they're going to come up with an excuse not to pay? Most likely. But I would love to be proven wrong on this one. So, you know, I don't mind being wrong. I will hold my hands up. I will say, yes, I got that wrong. I didn't trust them. I should have done. I would love to make that video. If you see me making a video saying I've been paid by BitNest, you'll see me very happy and not at all ashamed to admit that I was wrong. I don't expect that my 2 or 3 grand will come back tomorrow. I'm a little too cynical for that. But let's face it, BitNest was paying out for a very, very long time. I would think I was in it for around 7 months or maybe even 8 months, and it was absolutely phenomenal. And I know some people with you know, the big cojones, they're going back in on the Bitloop C right now, and I hope that they have continued success. For me, you know, I think if they actually paid my $3,000 back to like tomorrow, I would probably, just as a gesture of goodwill, like put 500 back in. You know, I don't know, but I think I probably would do that. So we'll see what happens. I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys think and what happens on the 16th. Definitely leave whatever you think in the comments and let me know if you think you're going to get paid on the 16th. I'd love to start seeing messages come up in my TG or on here on this video saying I've been paid, I've got my USDT back. I would love to hear that. So, you know, definitely let's stay posted on this one, guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one.